Him by HairUWear is a collection of styles that cater to any guy at any age. With precise haircuts, there's no need for a barber. Go groomed and professional one day or rough and textured the next. Natural, comfortable, and undetectable. The Him collection is made with HairUWear's exclusive Excel fiber. This soft, natural-looking, 100% synthetic fiber can be heat styled using a flat iron or a blow dryer. And they can all be professionally customized to get the look you want. Every style features a custom lace front that is ready to wear and made specifically for him. It creates the ultimate hairline that can be styled forward onto the face or back and swept away. Reserved is a classic cut that can be styled either neat or messy. The tapered layers are shaped and ready to go. Daring stands out for having a longer, more modern length. More length means more options. Slick it back or wear it down and messy toward the face. There's no need to wait for your hair to grow out. Chiseled is a little longer on top and graduates to tapered layers on the sides and back. The length can be adapted to suit you. The style got its name for sculpted layers and tough attitude. Classic has even cut layers, which will always be a man's hair staple. No matter the angle, all you see is great hair. Wear it back with ease or part the hair on the side. Sophistication is a go-to haircut that has blended sides with a little length on top. Wear it back, to the side, or add some gel to get a bedhead look in seconds. Style is easy to wear and easy to style, whether spiked or slicked. Push up the front or lay it flat to change up this classic short style. Grit's precisely cut layers take on the best shape in this shorter haircut. Sculpt the layers using your fingers or use a little product to fit your mood and attitude. Edges, choppy layers, and just a bit of flair add the right amount of toughness to this mid-length cut. Change it up or chop it up to fit your mood and your style. Him by HairUWear was created for the modern man who appreciates great style. With a variety of looks, we encourage you to style him, wear him, be him.